Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a charged battery. Park both vehicles on a level surface, ensuring they are not touching each other. Turn off both engines and engage the parking brakes for safety. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jumpstart process. Always prioritize safety when working with car batteries. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Lancer's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This sequence helps prevent sparks and ensures a safe connection. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Lancer, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Now, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Lancer's battery. After this charging period, try to start your Mitsubishi Lancer. It should now have enough power to turn over. Once your Lancer starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black cable from your Lancer's metal surface, then from the good battery. Next, remove the red cable from the good battery, and finally from your Lancer's battery. Let your Lancer run for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This ensures your battery is ready for your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.